So here we have the random orbital sander, FL117 model, not in the box, because it's right there. So in the box though, we do get this pack of grit paper, so you get 80 up to 240, there's about 10 discs in total, and of course an instruction manual. And today I've been sanding the sealant between my two plasterboards, so this is my new home office, work in progress as you can see. But I've been using it for like 8-9 hours now, and it's going absolutely fine. You've got on the front just here the power button, it's just a simple on-off switch. You've got the dial just here, it currently says number 2, that's the second setting, it's basically just the power, okay? Now it's number 3, now it's number 4, put that back to 2 because that's what I'm using, but you get the idea, it's like 1 to 6 I think, at the different settings. Okay, you also got this nice decent power length cable, about 1.5 meters in total, just with a normal plug at the end, okay? You've got a grip here at the back or a grip on top, or if you're using two hands, obviously you can have one on each, okay? But it's really nice kind of, simple rubber, it's not too sticky or anything, it's just actually really comfortable to hold, which is nice. And you've got these vents as well, so the whole unit is really well vented. So you've got 2 on that side and 2 on that side too, okay? And you can get a bit of an idea of the size of it in my hand. It is a handheld power tool, okay? Get an idea of it just there. There's definitely a little bit of weight to it, of course. It's a power tool, right? But it's not heavy either. It just feels quite comfortable to hold, feels robust for the kind of tool that it is, okay? If I come down here, so you've got the, on the bottom, the pad that literally just Velcro sticks, just like that, to whatever pads you want to put on. So that's the new 240 grip I'm going to use in a second. And those holes then there basically suck in the dust, and the dust goes kind of through here into this black bag, which you need 2 hands to use just because you have to hold this with one hand and pull here. But it literally just pulls off and then pushes on. Simple as that, right? And that gathers a lot of the dust. Clearly not all the dust. I've made a lovely mess of my floor. Okay, but it does gather in here as well, and I've been emptying that sort of every half an hour or so just to keep it kind of empty. But yeah, overall, it's been a wicked power tool. I've been using it for like 8 or 9 hours in here, and as you can see, I've still got a little bit to go. But yeah, great piece of kit, really impressed.